Okay, so another thing for tomorrow's exam is that I'm just going to show how to draw such compounds, okay? Now, obviously, this difficulty of compound is probably not going to come in the exam. Most probably, you're just going to have the branch compound with a number and then the hydrocarbon. I've added a number over here just so we solve a harder one, so the questions in the exam will appear easier, okay? So always, I like to start from the right to the left, okay? So you're going to start in this direction, okay? Always start with the hydrocarbon, okay? So let's circle this let's put a square around this hydrocarbon over here, all right? Now I want you to solve these questions the same way and same steps that I'm going to be solving it, okay? First of all, we're going to identify how many carbon atoms do we have. We have 8 carbon atoms, so N is equal to 8. Perfect. Number of carbon atoms N is equal to 8. Now, it ends in "ene", and "ene" refers to the family alkene. Alkene. Alkene, the general formula of alkene is CnH2n. So now you're going to substitute this N into the general formula of alkene, and you're going to get C8H16. Perfect. This is octene. So we have the first molecular formula done. Now we're going to go to methyl. We're going to put a square around this one and find again how many carbon atoms do we have. We have 1 carbon atom because meth is the prefix for 1, oct is the prefix for 8. So meth is 1 carbon atom over here. Perfect. It ends in "il". "Il" is referring to the family of alkyls. Alkyl family. The general formula of alkyl family is CnH2n plus 1. So now I want you to substitute this over here. As we substitute it inside, it's going to be CH3. Perfect. We have the second molecular formula done also. So this is the first molecular formula, second molecular formula. Perfect. Now we're going to leave the numbers for the end. Now, for the compounds, we start from right to left, but for the numbers, I want you to start analyzing from left to right. This is for the numbers, okay? So over here, you're going to start with this number. The number behind the alkyl group refers to, this means that methyl is on the 3rd carbon from octene. Perfect. And this number means that the double bond, yes, double bond, because we said alkene is an unsaturated compound, carbon to carbon double bond, all right? So the double bond is on the 4th carbon, all right? Perfect. Now we're going to draw the compound. We have done all of the analysis. We have all of the data and information that we need to draw the compound. Mostly, I think the mistake that most students were doing is that you guys were just looking at the compound and just drawing it directly without analyzing everything. So go step by step, don't rush it, get all the information that you need, make sure you have everything present. Now you just need to dump all this information into drawing the compound. Octene, again, we said for the compound starts from right to left. So we're going to draw 8 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We said that the double bond is on the 4th carbon, okay? So in this case, you can count 4 from any side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So over here is the double bond, all right? Now, we're going to input the hydrogens, or you can start with the numbers. We know methyl is CH3, and we said because it is 3-methyl, it is present on the 3rd carbon. So 1, 2, 3, this is the 3rd carbon, so methyl is present over here. Doesn't matter if I put it up or down. Again, we said isomers, same general formula, different structural formula. If you put it down, left, right, anywhere, it's going to be an isomer, so it's okay. And then you just complete the rest of the compound with the hydrogens. Let me just do that. And basically, this is how you draw such compounds. Now, as per the information I've received for the chemistry exam tomorrow, you're just going to be having the number with the alkyl group and most probably a simple hydrocarbon. So this is just how to draw it if there is a number over here. Obviously, if there's no number, you're just going to draw the double bond anywhere that you want and just complete this part, making sure that you put the alkyl group on the appropriate number of carbon atom from this compound depending on what number is present over here. All right, and that is how you do it.